Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a single crochet swatch. We will make 10 single crochets in each row and we will make a total of 10 rows. So let's begin. So we will begin this tutorial by working a foundation chain with 11 chains. Since we want our swatch to include 10 single crochets in each row, we have to have an additional chain, and I'll show you why in just a bit. So we make a slip knot. This is shown in my previous video of the basics, and we will crochet 11 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here we have 11 chains. I'll count them through. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Each chain is 1 V. Okay? Now, we will start our second row with a single crochet to make the single crochet swatch. We will begin the first single crochet starting from the second chain from the hook. This is the first chain from the hook, and this is the second chain from the hook. So we will begin from the second chain from the hook. I personally like to insert my hook in the back loops of the foundation chain. I think it comes out nicer, so I will show you how I do this. This is my first chain. Starting from the second chain, I turn over. This is the back loop. I insert my hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through. I have 2 strands on my hook. I yarn over and pull through both strands. This is my first single crochet. Let's do this again. This is my next chain. I will work through the back loop of that chain. I insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. I now have 2 loops over my hook, yarn over and pull through both strands. I have now 2 single crochets that I've made. Let's do this one more time slowly. This is my next chain. I look through the back loop. This is the back loop. I insert my hook in the back loop, yarn over, pull through 2 strands, yarn over, pull through 2 strands. I now have 3 single crochets. Notice the V's again. 1, 2, 3. The initial chain, the first chain from the hook that we didn't work through. This is just, it's called a turning chain, but we don't do anything with it. We will continue doing this till the end so that we will have 10 single crochets. I'll meet you back here in a bit. Hey there. So we've completed our first row of single crochets. Notice how each single crochet has a V. That's the first single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, the reason I like to work in the back loops because when you turn the work over to the bottom of the work, you again have these V's because you worked in the back loops and you left the 2 strands of the V of the chain visible, and that's very convenient when you work borders on blankets, for example, or anything you have to work back again on this side. So that's how I like to do it. We will insert our hook. If you're debating how to insert your hook, it's always when the front loop is the one that changes the size. Look how the front loop is the one that you can pull through. This is your working yarn, not the back side. Okay, this is very important. Not the back side, that's further away from you, but the front side. So I have to insert my hook like this. The working yarn is in the front of the work. So when we've completed our first row, we chain 1, which is called our turning chain. We turn the work over and we begin working the single crochets back through each single crochet from the previous row. So this is our chain 1 that we just made, the turning chain, and this is our first single crochet. we insert the hook inside both strands of the single crochet, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops over the hook, yarn over, pull through. This is our first single crochet from the second row. Again, this is our second single crochet. We'll insert the hook in both strands, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 single crochets in our second row. Again, let's continue this to the end. We have 8 more to go. I'll meet you back here after we continue this. Hey guys, so now I've completed my first row, which this is the back side of the first row of 10 single crochets, and my second row, which is the front side that I just worked this way, 10 single crochets. Let's look and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 single crochets. Again, we will do the exact same thing. We will chain 1, that's the turning chain, turn our work, and begin working the third row of single crochets starting from the first single crochet from the previous row. So we insert our hook inside both strands, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through both loops. First single crochet of the third row. Again, insert our hook through both strands, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Last time, insert hook through both strands, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through. We have 3 single crochets done in the third row. Let's continue 7 more. I'll meet you back here when we're done. Hey guys, so now that we have completed 3 rows of single crochet back and forth, first row, second row, third row, we will do this 7 more times to complete 10 rows, and I'll meet you back here and we will have completed our single crochet swatch. Hey guys, so this is what a single crochet swatch looks like. This time we made 10 single crochets in each row and a total of 10 rows, and I hope this was helpful. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can get all the videos that I make, all the tutorials. Thank you.